In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create time blocks in Google Calendar, which can help you to plan out and visualize your day. So first, over here at the top where it says month, I just want to go ahead and click on that, then click on day. Then you just want to choose whichever day you want to create your time blocking. So I'm just gonna choose Saturday, July 26th. And then you just want to click on the time where you want to create a time block. I'm going to click on 8 a.m. And let's say I'm going to have breakfast during this time. So I'm just going to put breakfast in the title. And if you click in the time, you can adjust the time range of when you want to finish this task. I'm going to click on 30 minutes. Then just click on save. Then let's say after breakfast, I'm going to work out. So I'm just gonna click under breakfast. If you click and hold, you can actually manually expand the time range over here up to when you know you can finish that specific task. So I'm just going to write work out. Then click on save. And it's as simple as that. You just want to go ahead and finish your time blockings for the whole day and just plan out your day. So it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.